Welcome back, Dub Nation. It's your boy, Allan Wade, and I'm back with another update, Smile Direct. I'm completing month 4, week 3-4 on my Smile Direct aligners. And let me just do a disclaimer really fast to tell you guys, in case you're just starting to watch these videos, what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. I've searched all over YouTube and I just see a bunch of content on Smile Direct that's strictly about people's experiences with the aligners, or when they're first putting them on, or when they're done. So I'm attempting to do a full experience of my Smile Direct aligners from start to finish. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, I've documented from month 1, month 2, month 3, and sometimes even in between months with my experience with Smile Direct aligners. So we're going into month 5 of wearing my Smile Direct aligners, and I'm going to switch out my aligners live with you guys while we're on right here and give you guys close-ups and things like that of what they look like and how to do it and the whole process and whatever. So month 4, week 3-4. It's been cool. It's been slightly painful because, and it's my fault, because I haven't been, you get kind of complacent with wearing these things, and you really have to wear them every day. Sometimes I might go to work and forget them at home, or sometimes I might go to sleep and I'm too tired to put them on. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. But for the most part, I gave myself a few extra days. I was supposed to change these aligners a few days ago, but I gave myself a few extra days wearing them just because of the time that I didn't wear them throughout these last 2 weeks. So with that being said, no further ado, let's check out my smile right now with the aligners on. Wait a minute. This is my smile with the aligners on, right? And we're gonna break out the new pair of aligners. All right, so let's get our handy dandy Smile Direct box. All right, and let's dig in here and see what we got. We got all these old aligners at the top that I have. It's like the aligner boneyard. All right, got the next set of old ones. And we're all the way down in here, guys. So last month 5, week 1. I've got month 5, week 1, month 5, week 2, month 5, week 3-4. And of course we're gonna take month 5, week 1, because that's the one we're about to put on right now. And right next to that I have month 6, week 1, month 6, week 2, and month 6, week 3-4. So all my aligners are in here. Just double checking. There's nothing wrong with checking once in a while. Put this back in, guys. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, like that's what I've been going through. I've been struggling with being lazy, not putting them on, and I urge you guys, if you're going through this process, to always wear your aligners when you're supposed to, because when you don't and you skip like a day or 2 or something like that, or even like a whole full day of wearing them and then you wear them at night when you go to put them back on, it's pretty painful, and yeah, it's not something that that's not the right way to do it, because you don't want to put that much pressure on your teeth, guys. All right, so don't do what I do. Do as I say, not as I do. Yeah. All right, so let's open up these aligners together, shall we? Opening them up. Got them open, and sit them to the side right here, because we're about to put them on. Let's take a look at them. Ooh, these look magnificent. Look like my teeth are gonna be super straight. All right, can't wait. All right, so now that we are nice and close to the bottom half of my face and you guys can see all my imperfections, let's go ahead and take these aligners off. Okay, first we're gonna do the bottom row. I just want to suck all the spit out of my mouth, because what tends to happen is I take it off and there's a string, so I don't want to gross you guys out. So like I'm not using the tool because I'm kind of like a pro at this. I've been doing it for a long time now, so I know how to take them out without breaking them on the top. But I urge you guys once again to use the tool. Alright, and I have to find my case. So now let's go ahead and put on the brand new bottom row. I hope this isn't painful because sometimes it is. So let's see, let's do it. Okay. I felt them grip. So they're definitely doing what they're supposed to do. Got on. Okay. Yeah. Clicked into place on that one. Alright, now the top aligner. Okay. And they are in. Guys, one thing I forgot to do that I previously did on the other videos was before I put on these aligners, I should have did a smile so you guys can see how my teeth look and how they're straightening up from month 1 up to month 5, but I didn't do it. But I will do it on the next video. Okay, I don't think it's necessary along the whole way. So yeah, guys, and I want to tell you guys, if you are interested in purchasing some aligners, don't hesitate to use my code down below in the description of this video so you can get your imprint, or you can sign up for your Smile Direct aligners through my link and figure out what process you want to go through as far as going into a physical location or getting them to mail you a set of the things that you bite down on and do an imprint of your teeth and send it away, and then they send you aligners after they do all the molds and stuff like that. So use my link down in the description below so that you can get your aligners. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified, and then when I upload my next Smile Direct video or any other of my videos, I greatly appreciate it, and I thank you. Thank you for joining me in my Smile Direct journey. Thank you, Smile Direct, for making a product that's this good. Some people don't like it. I've heard mixed reviews. I particularly like this product, and I highly recommend this product on my channel. It's A-Dubb, Dubb Nation approved. If you guys have any overbites, crooked teeth, or anything like that, Smile Direct, I highly recommend it. And they have payment plans for you to purchase your aligners over time. You don't have to pay the full price up front, guys. And they have a cool website, very user friendly. You can click around and see your teeth and your plan in progression as it goes. That shows you what your teeth is supposed to do and how they're supposed to shift. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty intuitive, pretty cool, user friendly. So Smile Direct, still making videos, almost done. Month 5, week 1. It's your boy, Allan Wade, Dubb Nation. I'm out. Peace. Keep smiling.
Turn up that, crank it up. Why listen to the rest when you're rocking with the best, baby?